All right, everybody, welcome back to Catch a Buzz with your cuz. Today we have a snack, I guess. We're going to be reviewing Magic Spoon cereal. What's so magic about it? Well, it says there's no sugar in it. That's a win. 4 net carbs per serving and 14 grams of protein. So that sounds like a little bit of voodoo to me. Let's see. We all know that cereal's kind of been under fire for some years now. It really is not a very healthy, it's not a healthy breakfast item. Loaded with sugar and artificial stuff. Look at that. This is peanut butter, by the way. Magic Spoon peanut butter. It says, hold on to the dream. So there's actually 10 carbs per serving. There's 1 gram of fiber and 5 grams of allulose. Usually an OSE is a sugar, like sucralose. I do not know what that is. Milk protein blend, casein protein is the first ingredient on here. So that's a pretty good start. For those of you who know about your proteins, casein protein is like a meat protein, so it's absorbed slowly over time. Oh, it smells good. A little dry. Maybe I should add some milk. Let's see what else is in here real quick. Oh, so it's casein, whey protein, which is a faster absorbing protein. Sweetener is the allulose and monk fruit extract. So it's semi-natural, I guess. We got some avocado oil, sunflower oil, tapioca starch, peanut butter, of course, and a couple of other things, and peanut flour. Peanut allergy alert, not for you. That's our disclaimer. Do not eat this if you are allergic to peanut butter or peanuts. You got their mascot on the box there. Monster carrying an elephant, all muscled out. So I don't know. Let's check it out. Honestly, I'm a little bit afraid of this, folks. So I'm just going to try a little bit. I don't know. Looks good. It smells good. It smells like peanut powder, if you will. I'll put a little bit of milk in here so that we could test its cereal ability. Does it get soggy? Does it stay crunchy? Certainly no Captain Crunch, will tell you that. I would do peanut butter crunch all day long over this, but again, we're looking at it from a healthy snack perspective. So let's a healthy breakfast. Look, asterisk, this is not a healthy breakfast, but it's probably better than most of your sugar-filled cereals. All right, so right off the bat, very crispy, even in the milk. In a couple minutes, we'll see if it stays the same. You can tell that there's no sugar in here because it has like a very dry flavor to it. Not bad. Actually, again, it tastes like I had peanut powder or a peanut butter powder sprinkled on top of like a plain Cheerio, if you will. It actually has more of a rice texture to it, like Rice Krispies, but round and peanut butter and not sweet. So that's probably about as close as a description as I can get. If you're cutting carbs, cutting sugar, upping protein, this is probably a good choice, Magic Spoon. If you're simply wanting to just have great, sweet breakfast cereal, this is not your gig. So I don't know if I could put a link to this, an Amazon link. Maybe in some areas they may ship this stuff, who knows? But it's also a grain-free cereal. So again, they're hitting a lot of things here, but definitely not for, the folks with the peanut allergy. Well, if you could read that, I'll read it to you. So it says the high protein, keto friendly, check. Gluten free, check. Grain free, check. Soy free, wheat free, naturally flavored, totally delicious, maybe. Childlike cereal for grown-ups. Hold on to the dream. MagicSpoon.com. So if this is a diet thing you're doing, you need to cut your sugar, you need your cereal, do it. I think this is very similar to like a low carb beer. You're not getting the same flavor, right? But some beer is better than no beer, and if you have to have cereal, Magic Spoon is better than no cereal. So overall, yes, highly recommend for those of you who are starting, maintaining, or trying to do new eating habits. And catch us again here next week. It probably won't be as good for you, but it's certainly going to taste great, and the video's going to be even better. Like, share, subscribe, do all that type of stuff. We'll see you again real soon. This is your Magic Spoon. Your Buzz with your cuz.
We would love it if you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our video coming up next week, and we will see you real soon.
See you later.